So today we are going to look at another project in Neopolis, which is won by MSN, coming upon plot number 1. Now this one is spread across 7.7 acres and has 5 towers. So each of these towers have 55 floors, and if we talk about the total number of residences, you have got 655 units overall. Now if you look at the density of the project, this is a very low density project. You're looking at around 85 units per acre. So here you have 4 BHK residences. You have units starting from around 5250 square feet and going up to 7460 square feet. Now let's look at the exact location of the project. So this project is coming up on plot number 1 in Neopolis, which puts you just 15 minutes to Financial District, which is the main IT corridor with offices like Amazon, Microsoft, Google. Again, you have Gachibowli just 20 minutes from here. Then you also have a proposed World Trade Center coming up. So when you're looking at the location, it's not just about what's happening around the project. It's about Neopolis as whole. And this area is set to become just a completely different city by the time the project is handed over. And that is around February 2030. Here you have 5 towers. So the most impressive thing about this project is space. So the project talks about living room that can accommodate up to 100 guests. It doesn't mean you're going to have 100 guests every day, but you can just imagine the space that you're going to get. You also have your master bedroom, which is around 750 square feet, along with a lounge area and a walk-in dresser. So this one is more of a master suite, not just a bedroom. So you have 12 feet ceiling heights, which make your 5000 or 7000 square feet apartment look even more spacious and brighter. And then you have balconies. So you are not getting a balcony in which you just have 2 chairs. This is an expansive space which just becomes an extension of your living room. Now, while we are at balconies, let's talk about the views as well. So the project talks about 25,000 acres of uninterrupted views from your place. So the views are definitely the best part of the project, and this is probably the only project from where you will get the Osman Sagar Lake view as well as the Triple One Geo Greenery area. Then another thing that they're focusing on here is the privacy. You have private lobbies along with dual entry and exit and a concierge service. Now a lot of these large size units also come with a maid or a servant's quarter. Now let's move on to the amenities. So the amenities here are spread across different towers. So in Tower Aeon, you have an art studio, you have a pottery studio, you have your dance room, you have a music room, multi-purpose room, then a coffee lounge, and all of these. Then if we talk about Tower Eka, you have your sports and entertainment facilities like squash courts, cricket simulator, golf, and then you have an art gallery and a lot more of these. And then you also have some very practical facilities like a pharmacy, clinic with an emergency room, convenience store, and an ATM. Now, here you can take a look at all the tower amenities that you're going to get. Now, along with all this, you also have a separate main clubhouse and the sky park. Together, the project is talking about around 1,80,000 square feet of clubhouse, sky park, and amenities. So here you have your aerobics, your Pilates, banquet with kitchen, you have a boxing ring, you have badminton courts, you also have your guest rooms, you have games lounge, ace lounge. All of these are here in your clubhouse amenities. And then you have your sky level of amenities. So here you have your sky infinity pool, you have your sky garden, sky gym, sky walk, and then right here you can take a look at all your sky park amenities. So now coming back to the project itself, right here is what we have the master layout of the project. So here is your tower 1, which is tower Eka, and here you have 3 units per floor, which is your 5250, another 5250, and here you have 5510. Then in right in the middle you have tower Issa, which only has 2 units per floor. Both of these are 6465 square feet units. Then on another side you have tower Odin. Again here this has a similar plan as to tower Eka. Now right here we have another 2 towers. This is your tower Aeon and this is your tower Uno. Now both of these towers have 2 units per floor. And right in the middle you have your clubhouse. Now let's take a look at the floor plan for one of the tower. So here we have tower Isa. So right here you have your two units which are both 6465 square feet. So you have four lifts per floor along with two service lifts. So basically you are having three lifts per unit, which is just so amazing. I have never seen a project which has three lifts per unit. Now here you have your private lobby area and then you have your unit. So if we talk about the total carpet area in this apartment, it comes around 3734 square feet, and then you have a massive balcony which is around 654 square feet. So this was all about MSN1 in Neopolis. Now if we talk about the pricing of the project, the base price of the project is currently 12,999 rupees, and if we talk about a collective price, the lowest size unit, which is 5250 square feet, starts from around 8.2 cr. Now if you're someone who's interested in the project or exploring something similar, you can just contact us and we'll help you ahead. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we will be coming up with more such videos. And if you'd like to know about any particular projects, let us know in the comments and we might actually make a video for you. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we will be coming up with more such videos. And if you'd like to know about any particular projects, let us know in the comments and we might